Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. Welcome in the new year. Yeah, we start the new year with a Natgas video, and it is dropping, well, imminently, even stronger than I expected. Well, not really. I talked about, sort of maybe getting to $3, maybe even lower for Natgas. And I said in the previous video that I might actually remove this support area, this larger support area, but it's now in the support area for the wave 3. It did break out of this sort of wedge pattern, however, and that is quite a bearish sign. I mean, I am really bearish on Natgas in the short term, you know that. This count remains fully valid. It's just, yeah, I mean, I would have expected a bit of a bounce from here. But I also said to you in the last video, look at this trend line. You've got this trend line on the chart. As long as we are not breaking out above this trend line, we're probably gonna follow the trend down, which is obviously here also on the short time frame, clearly down. And that bearish engulfing candle here doesn't suggest anything good, but I think, I'm still waiting for that wave forward to the upside, but it takes as long as it takes. These waves can also extend as long as they want, really. We have identified support areas. It is basically exactly where it should turn around, but obviously the market is gonna hang in the trend as long as it wants to, and therefore we can use this trend line for an initial idea of when we move up in the fourth wave. So what that means basically is that this third wave, I mean, the longer this goes down, the stronger will most likely the bounce be as well. We had that situation before, which was, I think here I talked about the reversal, or here, I can't remember. And it was quite a strong bounce. But as you can see, when that happened, we already had a reduction in negative momentum on the daily MACD. We don't see anything like that. So obviously, due to the strong move down, the MACD is also pushing down in the momentum. Very, very bearish, but this is all going in line with our the view of our, the trend and the overall vision of where Natgas is going. And the message here needs to be that even when we make finally this wave forward to the upside, yeah, and that would typically retrace. I mean, we are here probably in a diagonal pattern, I would say, but this could now become something more impulsive if we dropped out of the channel now. So it could be become a really impulsive move down, not within a diagonal. So we need to consider that, but still this support area is relevant. Anyway, the wave 4 should retrace when it then finally happens, usually not more than the 50% Fibonacci retracement. If it was retracing now, it would most likely get into the region between the 23.6% retracement at 474 and the 50% retracement at 548. But I don't think this move down is over yet, not with that red candle. And honestly, without seeing any kind of either a reversal candle, a bullish engulfing, or breakout above the descending trend line here, we have to follow the trend down, yeah. As people say so often, the trend is your friend until the end, and that is true. It looks like we've got a extended wave 5 here. It's very long now. Need to see how long that carries on. Maybe I have to change here the internal wave count, but that's not so important. I think more important is, where do we see that reversal signal? It is now in the support area, but where do we see that reversal signal? And then we can expect this wave forward to the upside. But most importantly, it would only be a temporary reversal, yeah, in an overall downtrend, and we would then still get another leg down. You shouldn't be surprised that it's coming down so strongly. We talked in previous videos here on the monthly chart about the bearish MACD. This is huge, this red candle on the MACD on the monthly. We've got two now, yeah, two red candles on the monthly, and you can see the negative momentum is still increasing. So when I made you aware of that for the first time, I think it was a couple of weeks ago, I said we can have some really, really bearish weeks ahead, and people can have some fun on the short side here. But yeah, that's where we are. There's not much more to add. Waiting for the reverse. If I see something, I'll let you know. I still expect that wave 4 to the upside to start soon, but it can obviously max out the whole support area, and I will look at the internal wave counts again before the next video as well. Okay, and that's my update about Natgas. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.